No. Stop that. Stop that right now. Yeah, boy. Hi guys, it's me, FiFi, on my channel, on YouTube, on the interwebs, whichever device you're on. Wagwan. I'm back again today with another EXO reaction, a video you guys voted for on my last reaction. Guys, I'm going to be doing that from now on. I'm going to be letting you guys decide a video a week I react to, EXO of course, but I'm going to be moving that over to Twitter so I can do a poll and you guys can vote in the poll. So go over and follow me on social media, guys. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. On Twitter, you'll be able to vote what I react to next. I'm following everyone back on Twitter at the moment too, so we can be mutuals and be friends on Twitter. But yeah, guys, you guys have been going on and on and on and on about this. And I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I'm excited. I have not seen a live performance like this yet, like from one of their concerts or anything. And I know they're supposed to be amazing performers. So I'm super excited. Let's just do it. Okay guys, like I'm actually really scared. What the hell? And it's like 14 minutes long. How am I supposed to survive this? Okay. There's no going back after this. There's no going back. Okay, let's go. Okay, is this white noise the track I'm guessing? Ooh, Becca, what was that move? Dio. I need to have words with the stylist for putting them in these jeans. Ooh, those chord changes. I like Chen's dark hair. Hi. I love this song. This is just my kind of song. I like Chen's dark hair. Did I already say that? So it's oh, that chord. The chord and the rain and the I can't believe they just did that. Ooh, that synth bass in the back. Womp, womp, womp. Nice. I love that, what you just did, that little... Chen. I'm guessing that's Lay, right? I love this song. This is one of the best songs I've heard from them. Let's say it, Liz Hall. I'm scared. I'm scared, it's thundering. Sorry guys, look, I've been itching my neck and I'm all red. That was so cute. Are they doing 가위바위보? I like this song as well. Shit. Uh-huh. How did he just do that? He went from a grin to... Guys, these are all... Ooh. I don't think I've heard Lily like sing. Don't grab your crotch. Kai's face when he dances, that's my favorite thing about dancers and good dancers. I always look at their facial expressions. The beat! This is excellent production. Okay, Chanya, don't look at me like that. I really like that. That's really nice. That is so cute. Kai, stop looking at me like that. I really like this. I love that. I love this song. Is that Beckham with the falsetto? Jimmy. If I see one more hip thrust, hip grind, I'm gonna lose my shit. Yes, give me squish, give me squish, I need squish. I need Put those sticks away right now. Oh no, I recognize this song and I recognize the sticks now. But I'm on the verge of switching this off, guys. Guys, I'm gonna report this. I'm gonna file a complaint. Ooh, I love the house vibe. I did not want to see Dio do that. Ooh. Chest pumps. Can't believe this. This is a tune. When is this gonna finish? Ooh. The switch up. Very typical house chords in the back. Dun, 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 dun. I'm in love. No. Stop that. Stop that right now. Motherfuckers. Guys, that was... No matter how much you guys warn me, no matter how much I try and prepare myself, I am never ready. Holy crap. Guys, that was so good. First of all, I love the songs. See, I wanted to do first listens and of all the albums individually, but I don't know if I can wait. I'm gonna have to put these songs in my playlist like right now. I need to hear those songs again. Those songs again right now. Okay, let's get that out of the way. So, guys, they are amazing performers. Honestly, they are so incredible because it's so difficult to get your vocals so on point, your dancing so on point, and there's what, 9 of them? The practice and the work that needs to go in to pull off a performance like that, song after song. That wasn't just one song, then break, then that was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 songs. Guys, that was incredible. They're amazing. I'm a little bit in shock. These guys, every single time I'm watching them and reacting to them, they're blowing me away more each time. Wow. I'm gonna watch it again. I'm not gonna watch it again right now, but I'm gonna watch it again after. I didn't get the rain, but D.O, oh my god, D.O was wrecking me in this. I'm not gonna lie, D.O was wrecking me in this. Late is hot. I haven't got to see him much. This is my first time seeing him, actually even hearing him and like seeing him perform properly. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to react to his solo work for sure. I love the vocals. Beckham was doing some falsetto at some point as well. There was so much going on, I actually don't know what to say right now, guys. I absolutely loved that. I have to give credit when credit is due, and that was honestly one of the best performances I've ever seen. K-pop, non-K-pop, that was incredible. I haven't been listening to EXO long. It's literally been, what now, like 2 weeks, and I already know I would love to see them live. If they ever come to London, I am going to see them live. After seeing that, I just have to. Guys, that's all I've got nothing else to say other than you guys can vote for my next video for next week. The options that didn't make it for today will probably still be up, and I'll add a new video in for you guys to vote for, but that will be over on Twitter. So go follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram too, but I'm following everyone back on Twitter. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you so much. I love you artificial. I love you so much. Turn on those notifications so you know when I post. Yeah, goodbye. I'll see you in my next video.